I'm basically going to transform this wig from this to guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Hope you are doing good, hope you are doing great. If you don't already know, I'm Okeke Jennifer, a Nigerian based YouTuber. I'm actually based in Abuja, Nigeria. My chorus, normal chorus. So yeah, today's video is just me transforming this hair from what it was before to this. So it has even dropped. The coils is no longer that pronounced anymore because Yyonghair have been taking a lot of pictures and the coils have been dropping down. So yeah, if you want to see me achieve it, please continue to watch this video to the end. And if you have not subscribed, just click the subscribe button below or above and subscribe. Join the family. Give this video a big thumbs up and leave a comment down. Just, you know, write something. As usual, drop something. So yeah, let's jump over to the video and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye. This is the hair I'm using for today's video and it's from Yyonghair. I'm just unboxing it with you guys. I like the fact that the hair came in this bag. They sent me 3 straight bundles and a closure. The closure is in 18 inches while the bundles are 22, 24 and 20 inches. I really like the fact that the closure came pre-plugged already and the knots are almost invisible. The hair is sleeky and the wefts are neatly sewn. All the details of this hair will be in the description box below. I made the hair into a closure wig. I do have a detailed video on how to make a closure wig. I'm going to leave the link in the description box below as well. After making a closure wig, I'm just straightening the hair more with this hand dryer and then also lay the closure all back using a hot comb. So now I'm just clipping down the hair using a hair clip so that I can start coiling the hair. For the coiling, you will need styling more. It's got to be freeze spray and the spray gel. I got this crimping coiler from Wuse Market in Abuja, Nigeria. So in case if you are interested, you can also order from AliExpress. In no particular way, I'm going to take like this much from the back and then comb it with a small comb. First, apply the styling mousse, spray gel and got to be freeze spray. After applying those products, we'll just go ahead to straighten the hair a little bit before crimping it. The main reason why I'm still straightening the hair is just to help the styling mousse, spray gel and the got to be freeze spray to just dry faster because we'll need the hair to be dried before crimping. After that, we'll just go ahead to start crimping the hair, and then to clip, you just clip the crimping tool to the hair and then pull the remaining part of the hair upwards just so that the crimping will creep very well, or the hair will creep very well. So you just continue doing the same to the rest part of the hair. So I will allow you to watch or to see for yourself 2 more times, then we'll move over to the next part of the video or the next section. This clip is very easy to use. The only thing you need to know is the product to use while clipping, and you can use only got to be freeze spray because got to be freeze spray will be able to hold it enough. But if you want the coils to last a longer period of time, you can also use the same products I used. guys have already seen me when I coiled it to this form. So I already laid my front hair, and then I made this wig into a center pattern. Like you guys already saw me do everything, so I'm just going to lay it properly on my head. So yeah. So after clipping, I'm just going to go ahead to wear the wig on my head, then clip the front part with my hair clips so that it doesn't get in the way while I'm trying to apply the glue. I'm only going to use little amount of ghost bond on my head, just by the sides of the closure, so that it will look as natural as possible. That's the wig itself. After applying the glue, just using a metal to spread the whole product where I will actually want it to be on my head, and then use hand dryer to just make it dry faster. So this method is just the normal way of installing frontals. So yeah. So after that, we'll go ahead to lay the baby hairs in front of my head, and then apply styling moist in front, that's on the parting part, and also use powder to like try to make the parting to look more pronounced. I'll apply this powder, and it's from Classic. It's my shade. So the coils were just looking too intense, so I decided to open it more, like loosening the coils so that it will look a little bit different from the normal clipping coils. So yeah, here is the final look. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. Hope it's helpful and hope you enjoy. Please don't forget to share this video to friends and family. Subscribe if you haven't, leave a comment, and give this video a big thumbs up. Stay blessed. Bye.